Please come. Come. Take your seat, please.
Thanks.
Your good name? Your good name?
Sir, Vyomkesh Pradhan.
First time వస్తుంది ఆంధ్ర వస్తుంది
Second time, sir.
Second time.
Second time. Applied physics and ballistic science. Yes.
సరే
Again, your name please?
Sir, Vyomkesh Pradhan.
Vyomkesh. Yes, it is 22. Okay, let us listen to your introduction, how you are introducing better than the first class.
Myself Vyomkesh Pradhan. I am originally from Parampur, Ganjam, but my native place is Balasar. I completed my graduation from Samant Chandrasekhar Autonomous College, Puri. Then I pursue my post-graduation from Fakirman University, Balasar in applied physics and ballistics. Now, then after I started preparing for civil service, and this is my first attempt.
So, Vyomkesh, huh?
Yes, sir.
What does it denote any deity? Vyomkesh? No.
No, sir.
No deity?
What is actually it has something meaning. Vyoma means akasa,
Oh.
sky.
Oh.
Kesh means the hair.
Mm.
So the hair, the deity whose hair is as long as the sky, related to the name of Shiva.
Okay, good, very good. Wonderful. Tell us, this ballistic, you studied applied physics?
And ballistics.
Ballistics. Tell us what is the ultimate purpose of missile technology, ballistics?
So ballistics is particularly related to defense sector of our country, and ballistic missile is very much important both strategically and for the security of our country. So that's why we need to study ballistics and to promote defense, advanced research technologies.
But for someone who is not very well informed, say like me, because the average citizen is always a little skeptical. Again, common ballistics, missile, submarine missile, testing. India is a poor country. Should we go and invest so much in these things which are never used anyway, at least in our lifetime? So this kind of, though you use the word strategy, defense, etc. But this kind of skepticism is there, an average citizen cannot have it, particularly when we are a developing nation, when our resources are very scarce. We keep hearing today successfully tested the ballistic missile, this and that. But we have never seen it in news also. But when are we going to, is there a saturation point or a self-sufficiency point or a deterrence point? Strategic saturation. Can you say that?
So India in Southeast Asian region surrounded by many enemy countries like Pakistan and
I would
China.
say surrounded by friendly countries. When you say enemy, it's a matter of perception. Vyomkesh, you may say they are surrounded by enemies. I will say no, surrounded by so many neighbors, I feel protected.
No, sir, but self-defense is very important regarding the security of our nation, and
Why
nothing can be compromised
But
when it comes to the security of
why do I defend myself from friends? They will defend me.
Sir, if we keep on advancing in modern technologies, then it will give more importance to our country in international platforms.
In simple terms, Vyomkesh, I don't know. Will it not lead to an arms race? And when you look at our neighbors, except probably China, they are all comparatively poor people only. Why should we anticipate or assume an enmity, an aggression, a militarist mindset? And then go on, yes, I will get more and more. Then our man say, let me get more. Then this is a competition in the wrong direction. Arms race. Where will it lead us? And still we are saying that we have to eliminate hunger, poverty, good education, water. On the one hand, we are talking about peace, justice, and an arms race. I think that is somehow it is irreconcilable, incompatible. What do you say, Vinkesh?
So I think this is need of time, and
Good. Need of time. What do you mean by that?
that means if you are not giving importance to different technologies and advancing our military,
Mm.
then it will lag behind
Mm.
India's position in different international platforms,
Okay.
and India is not
Mm.
ready to be part of different United Nations Security Council or many other international organization things. So the modern day of peace, defined by peace, definition of peace
Mm.
is to have something with you, then you can.
My God, Vinkesh, this in a country of Mahatma Gandhi, whom say he is the father of our nation, he is the father, nobody else is the father, and he said ahimsa. He never believed in arms race, did he?
So those are different times.
Okay, you mean to say Mahatma Gandhi is no more relevant? His values, his philosophy is irrelevant in the modern. My God, you are insulting the father, Vinkesh.
No sir, and this time needs different strategy than that time.
Okay, sorry, I was I don't make this seriously. Sorry.
Okay. Who is Samantha Chandrasekhar?
Sir, Samantha Chandrasekhar is a famous astronomer of Odisha. He has been given the award of, the position, title of Mahamopadhyaya. He was born in Nayagarh. He has written a beautiful astronomy book, that is Siddhanta Darpana.
Okay. What was the contribution in that?
His contribution in astronomy, particularly.
In the field of astronomy, but what he was trying to explain through his.
Trying to explain the. Sir, I can particularly say, I only heard
This
about
much, only this much, not
Yes.
beyond that. Measuring the distance of the stars?
Yes,
Huh?
measuring the distance of stars through handmade objects.
Yes.
Nothing modern technology he used. He used only calculations, mathematical calculations to. do the-
With some experiments,
Yes, I am not
some
particular.
experiments with which he tried to calculate what is the distance of the stars. That is what his contribution. So why Barampur is called a silk city?
So Barampur is famous for handmade saris. That's why it is known as silk city.
Handmade sari means?
Handmade sari means a type of sari, handloom particularly. Pomkei sari is made around the Ganjam district.
No, it is not Omkai.
Then
But how the yarn comes, silk yarn, is it prepared there? Or
No,
it
sir.
is
nothing
Well-
prepared there. Prepared in the southern Odisha districts, Koraput, Rayagada, Kandhamar. These areas produce silk. Silk is a worm which eats the leaf of mulberry. Then it develops a.
So weaving takes place in Ganjam?
Yes, what?
In Barampur, weaving of the silk sarees
Yes,
are taking place,
Yes, sir.
for which it is called silk city.
Yes, sir.
Any other silk city in the country?
So I think Banaras can be called as silk city because Banaras is famous for its silk sarees. Also, I don't mean any other thing. Yes. Sorry.
It is in Karnataka.
Okay.
Mysore or Bangalore? Any guess?
Sir, Mysore.
So try to have something because it is associated to your places wherever you have stayed.
Yes.
It's in Baleswar. What is the characteristic of the sea? How it is something different from the rest of the Odisha's coast?
So every day the sea recedes back to 3 to 4 kilometers in Chandipur beach. That's the main significance of that beach. And also below Baleswar belt, the Gahidmatha sea beach, it is a very important position for nesting of olive-reeded turtles.
That is the significance.
Yes.
Okay. So Baleswar district was a part of Bengal province.
Yes, sir. Ancient.
So how it has something to do with our Indian independence movement? Has it any contribution?
Yes, sir. The famous freedom fighter Bagha Jatin was from Baleswar. He has died in a fight with the English forces in Chasakhanda area. It is near Baleswar.
Near Baleswar. And who is Fakir Mohan?
Papi is a famous
Senapati.
literate of our Odisha. He has been given title Vyasa Kavi. He is father of Indian novel. Sorry, Odisha novel, Odia novel. His famous novel Chamana Athamunta, and he is also the writer of first Odia short story Rebati, and his
Whatever that you are telling, have you read any of the
yes, I have read Chamana Athamunta Rebati.
Rebati? What is the character of Rebati and how it is
Sir, Rebati
sending
is,
a message to the society?
yes, sir, Rebati is particularly a small girl who wants to study, but his family opposes, particularly his grandmother. And when the situation was bad for that family, his father and mother were died both of cholera disease. But the grandmother blames only the granddaughter of her for everything. So this is typical stereotypical mind in every village of our Odisha, that when the girl try to do something or achieve something, everything bad happens to that family. Even if at the end of the story, both Rebati and her grandmother also died. That is a very tragic and sad story.
Okay.
Yes, Bemakesh. Just 3 days back, you are from Gajam?
Yes.
3 days back, one documentary film was awarded in the International Documentary Film, where 1500 numbers of the documentary short films were projected, but 70 got awards. One from Odisha got award. Are you aware of it? Okay, it's from Ganjam district. Do you know something about the Kandhi Nacha?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that was a 17 minutes short documentary film which got awarded in the International Documentary Film Festival. 1500 film जो दिया जाइथिला तादरू 70 awarded हेले, one from that Kandhi Nacha.
Yes, ma'am. I will look at it.
May question come because just 3 days back you have also, when is your interview date?
24.
24.
No. Day after.
Yes.
Just Bemakesh, what are the social issues you are observing at your district in Odisha also that needs more focus from the administrative machineries?
Ma'am, I think eradication of poverty is the basic fundamental requirement that needs to be focused first. Then upliftment of women. It is a particular thing because India currently, Odisha is ranked second for child marriage. It is a very alarming situation. So I will focus on that area particularly, how to stop child marriage. Then try to smoothly implement different government schemes relating eradication of poverty, and particularly corruption is a big issue in administrative field. Recently, some kind of corruption activities were shown in Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana scheme or the lift irrigation schemes. So my priorities will be that.
Okay. Could you tell some of the existing poverty alleviation programs of the government of Odisha?
Yes, ma'am. Regarding the food security of below poverty line families, there is a Food Security Act run by central government, and state government also give more beneficiaries in subsidized meal. Then
Okay, there is now rules of one nation, one card.
yes,
So
ma'am.
far as food security is concerned.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you know about it? One nation, one card.
Now, One Nation One Ration Card is a scheme that aims to give subsidized food grains to every 75% in rural areas and 50% families in urban areas. It is given stress to implement it national wise, so that any family can take up his ration from anywhere in country.
Whether our digitalized system has become quite enough to completely database, suppose I am a native of Jajpur, but I am staying at Bhubaneswar. I want to take ration from my nearest dealer.
Yes.
So whether the database of every beneficiary has been digitalized so that it can be implemented sooner.
Yes, ma'am. Process is continuing and it will be implemented soon. India, Odisha has been a part of national One Nation One Ration One Nation One Ration Card scheme.
Yeah.
Very good, Venkesh. I think only one day is that. I think you are an excellent candidate. Only problem is all you people who are excellent science students, bright intellects, you are selecting sociology and what is this, public administration. So our only anxiety is your academic sharpness, intellect will adequately get reflected in your performance of sociology. That is the only thing. Otherwise you are doctoral material. Why don't you write physics or something else? That's your main subject. You are switching your life into home science, psychology, sociology, anthropology. So that is a universal trend we notice, but we are anxious that whether your sharp intellect does adequately get reflected in the psychology, sociology, public, home science. It is there is no match at all. There is total mismatch. I hope you have done well in sociology. This is the first time you are appearing.
Yes.
You have done well.
Yes.
All other
So paper 1 is something I don't want.
public administration you have done well.
Yes, public administration I am quite
You have done
confident.
well. So if your written performance is there in the interview, you should sail through. You are a very good personality. Your answers are very, absolutely top class. You have any questions to ask of us? I don't know why he is coming for a second time, sir.
He wanted to improve and probably he shows visibility very clear that he has improved. But only Lekna is, we are not carrying on the answers from the board. Board is asking, putting something as a clue to you while explaining, and you should carry on the answer. You do not wait that the answer will stop and then you start. Yes sir, here I can continue with this. And somewhere you have to intervene. Not just that till the end of the question you wait for, suppose a long question is coming. So you are getting a clue of what he is asking. So you can intervene in between to carry forward.
Intervene kale kare se kharab hobe.
That is why cautiously you have to do that. Intervene means you must get the clue that yes, board is
got a seamlessly, not abruptly,
not
seamlessly.
as
Sir, my point forward is the ballistic as a specialty. I don't think the first time I am hearing.
Yes, sir, one thing I just want to highlight, whenever you are telling that yes, this is the need of the hour, because in order to preserve the sovereignty of one country, it has to do something from the defense side for development of its defense equipments. And particularly for India context, we have always apprehension from the Pakistan side and from China side also. That also you could very specifically you could also told, because you are revolving around in the general, why India is more sensitive in developing its defense equipment. Yes, sir, our budget 11% is being spent in purchase of these defense equipment. 11%, the highest percentage of our budget is being spent only procuring the defense equipments. Because the threat is that India is a peaceful country. India believes in the peace, global peace and global tranquility, world peace. But still, we have to keep ourselves strengthen something, because sometimes we have seen from practice that Pakistan is always maximum times doing the crushed border terrorism, sometimes also killing brutally our bordering soldiers. And last time also China attempted to infiltrate from the Galwan. That from this point of view, India should be sensitive and should also take care of its. That you could tell. Okay, tell.
That's a very good point. That will be focused and more to the point. Okay. Now what I was saying is ballistic, sir. This first time I am coming across ballistic. So this is the advantage of that age competitivity. I don't know whether we can quietly bring in somewhere. Okay, so that will give you an edge to your personality. All the best. You are making it, Bhimakesh.
Sir, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
भला कर जाओ, तब बढ़िया कर
If you want to know, since we are
बहुत
asking you,
भला कर
of course people will say, my colleagues may, I have given you 245 out of 250. If that is going to boost your morale, okay? Anyway, my
बहुत
colleagues,
बढ़िया कर
I
जाओ.
am not asking them. Huh? Okay?
बहुत बढ़िया पर्सनालिटी
Okay? You will do well. Okay, but don't be shy, as Sir said.
हाँ.
These are competitions, like even the nose has to be there. So that you have done something ballistic, that will enthuse up the board. So that I am a special man. I am not the ordinary, out of the ordinary. You see, that you should project very quietly without sounding boastful. Okay? You will do well, Bhimakesh. God bless you, you are making it. Okay?
Okay, so have a little look at the Chandrayaan mission Mangal, like that also, okay? Wish all the best.
All those Antariksha programs.
हाँ.